Visayas Saad.
Official.
Hi guys, so we are in Tonka National State Park.
Hey Google, stop music.
Papasok na kami. Yan. So this is where, so we are 3 minutes away from our destination. Maraming papasok siya. So we are going to go inside there. So they don't have campground here basically. So yan, yung mga red. Unlimited parking.
No, it does not absolutely say unlimited parking.
Unlimited. So, ang dami-daming tao dito. Guys, we're parking. So, ayan. We need to have our mask now.
I'm gonna take where's my mask? I'm gonna stick it.
You need to park. So we are here at Tonka, guys. So there are quite a bit of people in here. You don't need to wear your mask, right?
I have my mask in my pocket.
Dito na kami, guys. We're walking. We park. Excuse me. A little
But I had to get over it anyway.
far. Better go in here on this side.
Quit being bossy.
Good na tayo guys, so may pa-voice over na tayo. So yan, may mga kabataan na nag-check ng state park na
Ang mga modules nyo.
Sa kabila naman may mga bikers. At saka dito, banda, basa-basa din tayo guys. Pretending lang na magbabasa pero wala namang naintindihan. Yan.
So that's part of the castle.
At dyan, yan ang pinaka-entrance niya. But before tayo papasok, of course, dito muna tayo sa may gilid. Lakad tayo pa more. So sa malayo makikita nyo may pa-lake doon sa pinakababa ng cliff. Ayan. So before dyan, dito muna tayo dito. At of course, dahil maganda ang view guys, pa-picture muna tayo. Ayan. Dito. Hinahinay lang, baka mahulog tayo at ano mangyari sa atin. So tingnan mo yung mga surroundings. Yan ang pinaka-lake guys. Yan. So, tapos na tayo magpa-picture. So, let's proceed. Pasok tayo sa pinaka-main entrance. So, dito sa pinaka-gilid niya, may mga pa-eksena dito na ruins. At saka dyan. Hindi, walang social distancing, kaya ang iba walang mask. Yan, may pa-yellow trees. Yellow trees. So, very good for Instagram to. Patuloy tayo sa paglalakad guys. Mamaya na yung trees na yan. Yan. So, hinahinay lang, baka mahulog tayo dyan sa gilid. Tsaka dito, proceed tayo. Super long walk ang pa-entrance nila. Yan. So, sa may left side ko, may dyan. May sila. Pa-eksena dyan. For picture, I think. For good view. So, dyan. Sinasabi ako, so ignore nyo lang. Naglalakad lang daw kami. So, malayo pa talaga yung entrance, guys. So, lakad pa more.
What happened to the dog?
Lakad-lakad lang. May narinig kaming asong sumisigaw. Sumisigaw? Ayan. So, ito na ang pinaka-main entrance. So, dahil maraming tao, guys, at ang iba walang mask, they don't care. So, dito tayo. 6 feet away tayo. Social distancing. So, hanap tayo ng may space. Yan. So, may caution tayo, banda. Diyan tayo. Yan. So, pinaka-eksena. So, parang siya? Parang church. So, ano kayo nangyari dito? Hindi tayo nagbabasa kanina eh. So, yan. So, very, amazing. So, Snyder Castle daw to. So, ayan. So, dahil hindi tayo satisfied, lakad tayo sa left natin. Go, proceed. Yan. So, social distancing pa rin. Kasi alam niyo naman. Yung walang mga mask. Tsaka dyan. dyan. Same view pa rin. But yung pinakagilid niya guys, pinaka-left ko, yun ang pinaka-entrance. Nakaharap siya sa my cliff. So, pretty amazing. Pero hindi bawal ka pumasok kasi hindi daw stable yung ano. Oh, the back area. So that's it.
What is this? It looks like it's like something. They haven't finished. It looks like they haven't finished. Do you think they finished it?
Maybe we're in Illinois. I don't know.
Do they have like some writings?
Yeah, when we were coming in, was talking about it.
The Snyder, this is the one. Guys, somebody is flying a drone just to take photos of the whole thing. Probably YouTubers.
Probably not.
Look. So there. If you can see it.
We got the good view now.
Yeah. We are just walking a little bit. It's kind of tiring.
With its intriguing history and outstanding geologic features, Tonka State Park is one state park that should not be missed. The park is a geologic wonderland featuring sinkholes, caves, a huge natural bridge, sheer bluffs, and Missouri's 12th largest spring. The ruins of a turn-of-the-century stone castle overlook these wonders and offer impressive views of the Lake of the Ozarks and Tonka Spring. A series of trails and boardwalks make it easy for visitors to experience all the park has to offer, from its historic castle and geologic wonders to its wooded areas and open rocky glades. Picnic sites beckon visitors for a relaxing lunch in a scenic setting unparalleled in the lake area. All of these fascinating elements combine to create a park that can be explored and enjoyed time after time. And this is where nature and history come together.
In the spring area. So ayan. So may naliligo. Diyan naliligo sila. May boats sila. Tapos naliligo sila. I don't wanna know if I would like to swim there. It looks dirty. Si Ate Bulate. So ayan. A lot of people here doing barbecue, fishing. So yeah.